Hello, myself Arya, class 9th, Geography, chapter Population Extra question. First, what are the three major senses? Population, size, and distribution. It means how many people live in a place and where they live. Some area have many people while some have very few. Second is population growth and changes. It tells us how the population increase and decrease over the time. Third, population characteristic. It describes the type of a people in a population such as their age, education, work and health. Second, define census and what is the importance of studying population. Answer. First point, a census is a official enumeration of population of a country that is recorded periodically. Second, human beings are producers and consumers of earth resources. So, population study is important. Third, it helps us to know how many people live in a country and where they live. Fourth, it helps us to understand population growth and change. Fifth, it gives information about population characteristics like age, education and occupation. Next, third, what are the cause of uneven population in India? First is physical factor. Rugged mountain trade as in Sikkim and lack of mean of transport as in Arunachal Pradesh are primarily responsible for spare population. Second, harsh climate condition. Snow-covered region like Ladakh and very hot region like Rajasthan invite less population. Third, population terror. Place with a rich fertile soil and give rainfall, good rainfall and moderate climate makes high population stay. Fourth, economic factor. Region become densely populated via ample scope of starting business and industry privilege with good transport, trade and communication. This region become acutely dense. Population political factor. State provides security, peace and stability also become very dense in long run. Next. Third, describe the distribution of population in India. Densely populated area, northern plains, Ganga and Brahmaputra Valley, coastal region due to the fertile soil, flat land, rivers and moderate climate. Spare population, populated area. Himalaya, Thar desert, dense forest due to a rough terrain, harsh climate and lack of water. Region, physical factor, economic factor, social and political factor. Next, fifth, explain the push and pull factor of a migration. First, push factor. Lack of job, people move to find work. Poverty and low income, poor living condition push people away. Natural disaster, flood, drought, earthquake, war, conflict and political instability, unsafe condition. War. Next, poor facility, lack of education, healthcare and transport. Second, pull factor. Better job opportunity, industry, business and cities attract workers. Better living condition, assist education, healthcare and housing. Fertile land or water ability attract farmer. Population political stability and safety, peace region attracts settler. Urbanization and development, cities, towns and industrial area pull people in. Next question is, why is age composition considered one of the most basic characteristics of the population? Age composition refers the distribution of people in a different age group. First, indicate population structure. Show how many are children, worker, working age and elder. Helping in planning. Government use it for education, health, employment and peasant planning. Reflect social and economic condition. A high proportion of young people indicate high birth rate and high proportion of elders show an aging population. Fourth, influencing growth and development. Age composition affect population growth, labor force and economic productivity. 7. Distribution distinguish between population growth and population change. AI question. So let's see population growth. It refers to an increase in population over a period of time. Population change. It refers to any change in a population size increasing or decreasing over a period of time. Population growth, it occurs due to high birth rate and low death rate. Population change, it occurs due to the birth rate due to birth rate and death rate and migration. Third, it population growth. Third, it show only the positive increasing in population. Population change, it show the overall change in population. Population growth. For example, India's population increasing every year. Population change, example, population change due to the birth, death, migration, immigration. Next question, in India, literacy rate among women is still low. Justify your statement. First, many families prefer educating boys over girls due to the traditional mindset. Poverty forces girls to help in household work instead of attending school. Third, earlier marriage of girls stopped their education at the young age. Fourth, lack of school and proper facility in rural area affect girls' education. Fifth, safety concern and social custom discourage parents from sending girls to a school. Ninth, why is population is portal element of social studies. Education is a prevalent element of social study. We can say this because first, it is a point of reference from which an other element are observed from which they deserve significance and meaning. Second, resource, calamities and disasters are the meaningful only in relation to human being. Third, their number distribution, growth and characteristics or quality provides the basic background for understanding and appreciating all aspects of the environment. Next, last question. 10th, what is the meaning of annual growth rate of the population? Why is uneven low annual growth rate of population considered not good for India? The annual growth rate of population is a percentage increase in a population of the country or region in 1 year. Even low annual growth rate is not good in India because the absolute number of people added each year is huge, causing economic, social and environmental pressure. It can cause problem in India because first, large base population. India already have over 1.4 billion people. Second, high demands for jobs and education. Millions of new people, mostly young, new school, colleges and employment. Third, environment impact. Most people, even with low growth, leads to deforestation, pollution and resources depletion. So let's move towards the MCQ of chapter population. First, resources, calamity and disaster are the all meaningful only in the relation of human being. Second, a dash dash is a official enumeration of population. Census. A census is an official enumeration of population. Third, India's population as on March 2011 stood at 1,210.6 million. Fourth, in India, the first census was held in the year 1872. First census held in India is 1872. Fifth, when the first complete census was taken in year 1881. First complete census was taken in year 1881. Sixth, the population density of India in the year 2011 was 382 people square kilometer. Seventh, what is population? A dynamic phenomena. 8. Which state has the lowest population? Sikkim. Which rate in the number of live birth per 1,000 person in year? Birth rate. Dash dash is a movement of people across region or territory. Migration is a movement of people across region and territories. 11. Dash dash is a ratio of male to female in a population. Sex ratio. Sex ratio is a ratio of male to females in a population. 12. When people came to the country, it is called a immigration. 13. When people of the country leave that country, it is immigration. Very important quality of population is literacy. 15. The distribution of population according to different type of occupation is referred as a occupational structure. 16. Primary activity include animal husbandry, forestry, fishing, mining and catering. 17. Which activity include manufacturing, industries, building and construction, secondary. 18. Tertiary activity includes transport, communication, commerce, commerce, administration and service. 19. The number of people in India, 19. The number of people in different age group is referred as age composition. 20. When did the national population policy come in India? In 2021. Name the state having the highest percentage of literacy level. Kerala. 22. Health is an important component of population composition. 23. Full form of NPP, National Population Policy. Who are a adolescent age group of 10 to 19 years. 25. What is a STDs, sexual transmit disease? Thank you. Stay with me, think and learn. Bye bye.